Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Stitch, Talend, to migrate data into Snowflake, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Stitch to migrate data into Snowflake, begin by logging into your Stitch account. Navigate to the Integrations tab in the Stitch dashboard. Select Add Integration to begin the setup process. From the available options, choose Snowflake. You will be prompted to provide your Snowflake account information. Enter your Snowflake account name, which typically appears in the URL of your Snowflake instance. Next, specify the warehouse you want Stitch to use for data loading. Provide the database name where you intend to migrate your data. Enter the schema name within that database. Now, input your Snowflake username and password for authentication. Make sure to indicate the role that Stitch needs to use in Snowflake. Click on the Test Connection button to ensure the information is correct. If the connection is successful, proceed by clicking Save. Next, you will need to select the sources from which data will be migrated. Choose the specific data sources you want to connect to Stitch. After selecting your sources, configure any necessary settings for each source. Confirm that all configurations are accurate before proceeding. Now, schedule your data migration frequency according to your needs. After setting the schedule, save your configurations. Finally, monitor the migration process through the Stitch dashboard to ensure everything runs smoothly. That wraps up the process to authorize Stitch for data migration into Snowflake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.